Hey guys, we got a set of ZL1 Brembos, 6-pot calipers finished up today. This customer had a seized bleeder valve, which was broken off. So that was the main thing he needed fixed, and then obviously he went with the rebuild as well. So we got everything cleaned up nicely. New seals for this customer, piston seals and dust boots. This bleeder was the one that was cracked off in there, and we were able to drill it out incrementally and save the original thread. So no need to retap this hole or anything like that. We just installed brand new bleeders, and he has new caps for those bleeders as well. So yeah, this was just a rebuild service and a one bleeder problem that we were able to address. Didn't go with any powder coating. These are still in pretty good shape, and customer didn't really want to get them refinished. And there's nothing wrong with that at all. So if you have some calipers need servicing, rebuild, or refinishing, got some problem bleeders that need to get fixed, we can do it all here at VisionAutoworks. Just go to our website at VisionAutoworks.com. You can reach out to us through the website, and we'll get back to you with a quote.